We're excited now to see the beautiful game between the Mar FC and the SSP FC. Are we happy? Excited to see the game? Okay, I don't hear the sound much. Can we shout more, louder? Okay, first of all, I would like to congratulate the beautiful team. The Siam Simple SSP FC and the Mar FC. My heartfelt congratulations to both the supporters here and that side. Whether we win or we lose today, we both are the winner team. Because among the many teams which is performing in this tournament, we both are the top team. So whether we lose or we win today, we both are the winners. That I want the Mar FC fans and the SSPP FC fans to know that and to keep in their heart. And on top of that, I'm going to sing a song which is very popular. I want you all here from this side and my back, the beautiful fans over there, to join me in the chorus. Because we face lots of discrimination and difficulty in Delhi, the capital city of India. We feel alienated. We are, we have faced racism problem. We have so many problems in Delhi. So we have to stand together. My Northeast 8 state brothers and sisters. I want us to fulfill, what the Dangcheng football tournament wants. Unity, peace. We have to unite together. We have to love each other. We're all brothers and sisters. And I want us to be free one day in this national capital of Delhi. So that we won't be afraid anymore. I want you all to join me in this song now. Deep in my heart, I do believe someday we'll all be free. Someday we'll all be free. I may not know how long to be. Someday we'll all be free. Someday we'll all be free. Someday we'll all be free. Hold on, my brothers, give me your hands. Someday we'll all be free. Someday we'll all be free. Learning to love, we'll find our way. Someday we'll all be free. Someday we'll all be free. Someday we'll all be free. I will not join me now in this chorus. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. I don't hear much, but come on, sing with me here. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. Raise your hands, please. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe someday we'll all be free. Someday we'll all be free. We shall overcome someday. day. Yeah, come on, we're singing. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। वो मन में है विश्वास, पूरे है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। We shall over